Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by fixing the most common causes, grip and setup. Hold the club neutral to slightly weak so the face can close naturally. This prevents an over-rotating hand release that causes a snap hook. Place the ball off your left heel and tee it high so you strike up on the ball. Once done, set your weight slightly back at address and align shoulders square. These small changes change the club face-to-path relationship from the very first swing. Now you work the swing path and release so the face doesn't overclose. Start with a shallow takeaway, then feel a controlled inside-to-out path. This reduces an exaggerated downward to an arc that trips a snap hook. Make your rotation lead the motion, hips and torso, so your hands don't flip early. Keep wrist lag until just before impact and release progressively, this time's face closure. Once you build that sequence, the driver will travel more to the target and stop hooking violently. Finish by committing to a full, balanced rotation so you don't stall and flip the hands at the last moment. Use drills, tuck a towel under your lead armpit for connection, hit half swings to groove path, and use impact tape to see where the face contacts the ball. If the snap hook persists, weaken your grip 1/8 to 1/4 turn and reevaluate the path. This subtle change often prevents the face from closing too quickly. If still failing, check shaft.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.